Good morning, my dear audience. So let us start our another class of English first paper and the unit 1 lesson 3. That will be the end of this lesson of this unit. Okay, so today we will going to read about Kalpana Chawla. And Kalpana Chawla, you know that 7th March 1962 to 1st February 2003, and this is the lifespan of Kalpana Chawla. So in order to have a very close observation of the lesson, I would like to request you to please open your EFT, that is English for Today main book, and unit 1 lesson 3. So I think you are prepared, you are well prepared, and already you have got the page. So the day before yesterday we have had a very fruitful discussion on Valentina Tereshkova, and today in keeping in line with the previous lesson, today we are going to discover another woman, another great woman in the field of science and technology, the name of whom is Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so let us know, and as usual I would like to start today's class by putting you some sort of questions, a series of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. So in order to understand those questions, I would like to ask you to keep your eye on the board. So at first, who is Kalpana Chawla? Second, where was he born? Third, where did she study? Sorry, here Kalpana Chawla, as he is a woman, so she will be here. So what was her field of study, and at last when did she die? So that's the basic question you need to understand, and you need to use to unfold, to disclose the fact, the lifespan of Kalpana Chawla as a whole. So let us start our lesson today. So from my reading, I am asking you to listen to my reading very carefully. I am going to read this page, and you will be keeping your attention, full attention on my study. You will be attentive to listen to what I am reading, and from my reading and from reading this textbook, this is the picture of Kalpana Chawla, right? So from my reading, from your reading from the textbook, you will try your level best to find out the answer of this possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions, 5 questions, sorry, to 5 of these 5 questions. Okay, let's start reading. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, India. She completed her earlier schooling at Thakur Bal Secondary Niketan Senior. Sorry, I am repeating. Kalpana was born in Karnal, India. She completed her earlier schooling at Thakur Bal Niketan Senior Secondary School, Karnal. She is the first Indian-born woman and the second person in space from this continent. After graduating in aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College, India in 1982, Chawla moved to the United States the same year. She obtained her master's degree in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas in 1984. Later, she did her PhD in aerospace engineering in 1988 from the University of Colorado. Determined to become an astronaut even in the face of Challenger disaster in 1986 that broke apart 73 seconds into its flight, landing to the death of its 7 crew members. Kalpana joined NASA in 1988. She began working as a vice president, where she did computational fluid dynamics CFD research on vertical takeoff and landing. In 1991, she got US citizenship and started her career as a NASA astronaut in 1995. She was selected for the first flight in 1996. She spoke the following words while traveling in the weightlessness of space: "You are just your intelligence." She had traveled 10.67 million miles, as many as 252 times around the Earth. Her first space mission STS-87, began on 9th November 1997 with 6 other astronauts on the Space Shuttle Columbia. On her first mission that lasted for 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes and 4 seconds. She traveled 6.5 million miles. She was responsible for deploying the Spartan satellite, which however malfunctioned, necessitating a spacewalk by Winston Scott and Tycho Doi, two of her fellow astronomers, to retrieve the satellite. In 2000, she was selected as her second space mission, STS-107. This mission was repeatedly delayed due to scheduling conflicts and technical problems. On 16 January 2003, Kalpana Chawla finally started her new mission with 6 other space crew on the ill-fated space shuttle Columbia. She was one of the mission specialists. Columbia's responsibilities included the microgravity experiments, for which the crew conducted nearly 80 experiments studying Earth and space science, advanced technology development, and astronaut health and safety. After a 6-day scientific mission in space on 1st February 2003, Columbia disintegrated over Texas during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. All the crew in Columbia, including Chawla, died only 6 minutes prior to their scheduled landing. Investigation shows that this fatal accident happened due to a damage in one of the Columbia's wings caused by a space of insulating foam from the external fuel tank filling up during the launch. During the intense heat of re-entry, hot gases penetrated the interior of the wing, destroying the support structure and causing the rest of the shuttle to break down. So this is for the first time I have read it. So it will be my request to you to read the passage again and try to understand the meaning of the passage. Okay? So you need to be very much careful about catching up each and every words. You need to be very much careful about understanding the possible answer of these questions. So I think you will take a screenshot of this question so that you can discuss. Okay, you can rediscuss all those items in your home. Staying in your home, you can take help directly from the textbook. So hopefully you will give me the answers of these 5 questions in my next class. And after finishing this, after completing this, the answering of the questions, we will go directly for our next item, that will be the test item, MCQ questions, as well as the open-ended and close-ended questions, and many other items. Suppose the flowchart item, the summary item also may come directly from this lesson. So this lesson in this respect is very important, and hopefully you are going to enjoy the lessons, and you will come to know about the 2 glorified women in the world, named at first the Valentina Tereshkova, and today we have read about Kalpana Chawla. So I believe that you have got my point clear, and now I am ending up this class by saying you goodbye, and thank you once again for keeping passions on my lecture. Thank you, thanks a lot.